Guys, presently we heard the sound of gunshots, and VDM decide to come back. VDM decide to come back. After hearing the sound of gunshots, VDM decide to come back. VDM say nothing dey happen. VDM say Odechi. VDM say Odechi. VDM say nothing dey happen. VDM say Odechi. Guys, shey you don see? VDM say Odechi. VDM say nothing dey happen. Their papa, their father. Àwọn kan máa ti wá darí bẹ̀rù àwọn tọ́ọ̀gì máa ti wá wọ́n máa ti ń lọ́kọ̀ kiri. Wọ́n máa ti ń fọ́wọ̀n èèyàn lóko ẹ̀wọ̀ ẹ̀ka sá lọ ẹ̀ dúró. Kéde ń lọ́kùn mẹ́wọ̀n èèyàn, 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 kéde ń lọ́kùn mẹ́wọ̀n èèyàn. But why does it look? Hey.
Very dark man went to protest in Oyo State. He was protesting against banditry and insecurity. He was protesting against Fulani terrorism. He is demanding for the release of those school children and teachers that were adopted by Fulani terrorists. Very dark man was protesting, and the next thing so many Yariba youths are doing is that they are stoning at Very dark man and other protesters. They were attacking Very dark man and other protesters. You see the reason why I said that it is very bad to fight for Yariba people. Yariba people in Oyo State, how many of them are you seeing protesting, demanding for the release of those children and school teachers? The law where Very dark man get be say he no be Igbo man. If not, by now the matter for don change. Yariba people for don flood internet. They thought say Igbo people left the southeast to come and protest in Oyo State. Oh, they want to destroy Oyo State. Oh, they want to use what happened to destroy the government of Tinubu. Igbo people this, Igbo people that. Ewo, Igbo people are trying to take over Nigeria or the way they did during the 1966 coup. This is why I'm telling my Igbo brothers, stay clear from the issue of Yariba people. Those people are not the kind of people that you should fight for. Person live in states, stage protest for una land. They demand for the freedom of children where bandits and terrorists kidnap. Instead of you or your people to support him, you people started stoning at him. When I say that Yariba is evil, some people go to say, no, they don't say the whole Yariba is evil. It's on Yariba. Yariba people are the first people that I have seen that they are doing counter protests. For Lagos State, people are protesting against Tinubu, saying that hunger wants to finish them. Oh, Nigeria don't scatter under Tinubu administration. Oh, some Yariba people staged a counter protest, protesting, saying that Tinubu is good. Oh, Tinubu is nice. Oh, people are trying to destroy the government of Tinubu. Oh, now Yariba people first do counter protest for this country called Nigeria. Any issue wey concern Yariba people, whether war they go on for Yariba land, oh, come out your mouth from that issue. Yariba issue not supposed to touch you for body, because if you carry Yariba issue for head, that issue will surely consume you. People whose behavior is like that of a chameleon, Yariba na chameleon, they're not good. Igbo teachers for Enugu State, where they protest on behalf of those teachers and children, they demand say those teachers and children that were kidnapped by Fulani terrorists, that they should be released. Yariba people came on social media saying that why is it that Igbo people are crying more than them, Yariba people? They started saying Igbo people are protesting in Enugu State for the sake of those teachers and students. Why is it that the ones that is happening in Igbo land, they are not protesting against it? Now Yariba people, they talk this thing. Oh, they said, why are you crying more than the bereaved? They talk and why? Because so many of our Igbo people, they're not the hear word. Some Igbo people, they're not they remember history. Now be the problem of we Igbos. Waiting they kill Igbo people for Nigeria and I love. You love people to the extent that the evil where they don't do you for the past, you know they remember them. You just kept the past aside, still dey move on. And even as you dey move on to please Yariba people, make everywhere for good, they are still fighting you. EndSARS protest, Yariba people talk say na Igbo people start am. Protest against Tinubu bad government, say hunger dey kill people, Yariba people talk say na Igbo people start am. Very dark man was arrested in GT Bank. Yariba people started protesting that Igbo people are telling people to stop patronizing GT Bank. Igbo people this, Igbo people that. Very dark man go Oyo State to protest for the freedom of pupils and teachers where bandits and terrorists kidnap. Oyo people started stoning at him. Shame on Oyo people. This one show say na Agbero na full Yariba land. Cultists, Agbero, criminals. For Southeast, you not ever hear say youths disrupt a protest. The only people that are disrupting a protest in the Southeast is Nigeria Army and the Nigeria Police. If Igbo people start to dey protest, you go see Nigeria Army, they go open fire, start to dey shoot peaceful protesters. You go see Nigeria Police, they go dey act like Agbero. They tear gas people. The thugs in Igbo land that are fighting peaceful protest is Nigeria Army and the Nigeria Police. But in the Southwest, people go dey protest say something not good oh. Some group of Yariba people go, they put fire for that protest. They stone protesters. They wipe protesters stick. They scatter everywhere. All because they are protecting the bad government of their brother Tinubu. When I say Yariba is evil, I mean it. The reason why I'm making this video is for our Igbo brothers to stay clear from the issue of Yariba people. If you put head for Yariba matter, it go consume you. Those people not good. If not be say that they stone very dark man and other protesters, that protest go big pass like that. Just imagine say very dark man and Igbo man. This is why there can never be a revolution in Nigeria, because Yariba people will surely betray that revolution. That one wey very dark man dey that place they do. It is say that one a revolution. We Igbos, if Igbo people grab protest, they should say we want to protest, you go see say the whole country go dey shake. And that is why when we Igbos start any protest, now federal government go send army and police, DSS to start shooting and killing people. All those protests wey very dark man they do, the federal government of Nigeria don dey see am as this boy just dey waste his time. That is not protest now. Igbo people not do the protest now. Protest where Igbo people do be protests. They know the reason why the federal government is always afraid whenever Igbo people go into a protest is simply because Igbo people are always ready for revolution. The federal government of Nigeria know say their government not good and we Igbos we not like their government. They know say Igbo people are always ready for revolution. So because of that, when they see that Igbo people are rising for a massive protest, they go carry army, surround everywhere for Southeast. Protest for Yariba land. Federal government not the reason there because they know say Yariba people will surely betray that protest. They know that Yariba people will surely betray that revolution. Very dark man they protest say make they release on our children and teachers where terrorists kidnap. Una go they stone them. Hell, whoa. The reason why there is no revolution yet in Nigeria is because Hausa people are still sleeping. The day where Hausa people go wake up say enough is enough for Fulani, Nigeria go better. Because in unity, Hausa they do revolution, we Igbos we they do revolution. If na massive protest, anything where it won't be, that thing will be achieved. The only problem we will get for that revolution na Yariba people, because they will surely sabotage it. Any Igbo person wey wan do over sabi say he won't follow very dark man go Yariba land go protest, anything where you see you take. The reason for this video is Ndi Igbo should stay clear from the issue of Yariba people. Whether what they Yariba land though, you not concern we Igbos. Anything that happen for Yariba land though, you not concern we Igbos. We Igbo should focus on our land. We also have that same issue in our land. Fulani terrorists are also killing we Igbo people in our land. So anywhere where happen for another geopolitical zone when not be Igbo territory, we Igbos are advised to remove our mouth from that issue. The concern of every Igbo person should be Igbo land alone. They kidnap people for Oyo State. Igbo teachers start to protest for Enugu. If na Enugu it happen, we Yariba people protest for we Igbos. Have you ever seen Yariba people protest over the insecurity in another geopolitical zone in Nigeria? No, they will never try it. Now only Igbo people, they protest for the sake of other people for Nigeria, yet they still hate we Igbo people with passion. Now love they kill we Igbo people, so love now they kill us. Kaduna and Zogba, the team want to make Nigeria better. Now I put we Igbos for suffer where we did today. This suffer where we Igbos did today. Now the love of Nigeria by Kaduna and Zogba and his team now put us for this problem. Yet, so many Igbo people are still loving. So many Igbo amahe kucha, amahe zeluke. Una too like protest. If it happen, let's protest. You just say that protest go make Yariba people love you. What you want to do to please Yariba people? People will choose to die like flies than to see an Igbo man become the president of Nigeria. Now they go protest for. Ishiagwale.